Hello dear friends, I am Rahul Gawande. Welcome to my channel. Dear friends, today we are going to start chapter number 11, Statistics of Standard 8. First point of this chapter is arithmetic mean. Practice set 11.1. First practice set. First example is activity based example. The following table shows the number of saplings planted by 30 students. Fill in the boxes and find the average number of saplings planted by each student. In first column, number of saplings are given. This is xi, 1, 2, 3, 4. These are number of saplings. Number of students, that is fi, frequency, 4, 6, 12, 8. It means that one sapling is planted by 4 students. 2 saplings are planted by 6 students. 3 saplings are planted by 12 students and 4 saplings are planted by 8 students. Here third column we added here, that is product of these two columns, fi into xi. Here we will do multiplication. Now n is equal to addition, sum of these frequencies. Let's add 10, 20, 30. n is equal to 30. Now here fi xi means this is product of these two. 4 ones are 4, 6 twos are here 12. This is very easy. 12 threes are 36, 8 fours are 32. And here sum of fi xi, these all are fi xi, and here sum means addition. Now let's add it. 4 plus 2 6, 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 2 14, 4 1 carried over, 3 plus 3 6 7 8, 84. Now mean x bar is equal to, formula to find mean is summation of fi xi upon n. Sum of fi xi we got 84, upon n also we know 30. Now average number of trees planted. Now divide it. We have to divide. Now let's divide here. 84 divided by 30. In rough we can do here 84 divided by 30. 32s are 60. 4 2. Decimal point is given here. 8s are 24. 2.8. 2.8. The average number of trees planted. Now round figure, if you want, it is more than 5, that's why 3. Average number of trees planted is equal to 3, round figure. Dear friends, let's see example number 2. The following table shows the electricity in units used by 25 families of Eklara village in a month of May. Complete the table and answer the following questions. Electricity used is given in units, that is number of families, here product. Now here fi xi product we have to do. 7 3s are 21, 210 here. 45 2s are 90, 8 6s are 48, 480. 75 5s are 5 5s are 25, 2 carried over. 7 5s are 35, 37. 9 3s are 27, 270. Here's addition of this n. Now addition is 7 plus 2 9, 9 plus 8 17, 17 20, 25. Sum of fi xi is equal to, now here 5, 10, 20, 25, 30, 32. 3 carried over, 5, 8, 8 plus 2 10, 10 plus 4 14, 1 4 2 5. This is sum of fi xi. Now based on this table, here some questions are asked, we have to write its answer. How many families use 45 units electricity? Now 45 units here. How many families use 45 units? In answer is here, 2 families. Therefore answer here, 2 families. Second question is, state the score, the frequency of which is phi. Frequency phi. Frequency phi is here. And we want score. Score is here. Score is this, 75 units. That is the score, the frequency of which is phi. Now third sub question is, find n and sum of fi xi. Both we have got in the table. N is equal to, n here we have got 25, and sum of fi xi, that is 1425. Fourth question is, find the mean of electricity. Now we have to find the mean. Here I continue. Mean is equal to sum of fi xi upon n. Sum of fi xi is 1425 upon 25. Now let's divide it. 25 4s are 100, 5s are 6s are is greater, 5s are 25, 5s are 125, and then 7s are. Therefore mean of electricity used by each family in the month of May is 57 units. In this way, this is activity based example we completed. Say example number 3. The number of members in 40 families in BR are as follows. Prepare frequency table and find the mean. For frequency table, first column we want, that is of score. Second column of frequency. Third of fi xi is product. Here score means xi, fi frequency, and third product. Scores are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Highest score is 7. Now frequencies. 1, score 1. Score 1, let's see how many times it is in the data. 1, 2 times, therefore here 2 frequency. Score 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Score 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Score 4, 1, 3 is left here, 7. Score 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Score 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Score 6, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Score 7, 1, 2 only. Now see, any number is left, for that only we cut here. Any number is left to cut, nothing. Now here n is equal to, and here sum of fi xi, add it. Now here 10, 20, 25, 30, 32, 40. n is equal to 40. Now product fi xi, 2 ones are 2, 8 2s are 16, 7 3s are 21, 8 4s are 32, 7 5s are 35, 6 6s are 36, 7 2s are 14, and here sum of this here. Let's add them. 8 9 10 11, 8 9 10 11, 16, 16 plus 10, 26, 2 carried over, 3 6 7 8 9 10 11 12 13 14 15, 156. Okay, now we want mean of members of 40 families. Therefore mean is equal to sum of fi xi upon n. Sum of fi is 156 upon 40. Now here reduce by 40. Here I do in rough. 156 divided by 40. 40 3s are 120. 6 3 0 decimal point. 9s are 36. 3.9. 3.9 and appropriate 4. Now the mean of members of 40 families is 4.